Okay, we're now looking at this is the damaged chip I did yesterday, the USB stick. I'm just going to show you that, okay. And I'm going to do a bit more in-depth one. Okay, so if we're looking now at these connectors, can you make sure that's in focus? Okay, so this one is ground. This one is, let's have a look what that one is. That is data. Oh, come on, focus. So that is data. Where's my pen? That is data positive. That is data negative. And that is live plus 5 volt. Alright, and these are ground as well. And if you need a cable, you're going to have to find a USB cable. Let me just get this. With those 4 strands on. Okay? And where I'm going to go today at doing these and unsoldering this, because we've got the data off it now, and using these wires is another way of getting data. This is no good. This is just for power. So you have to search around and maybe destroy a USB stick, well, a USB cable, but it's worth it if you want to get a lot of data off. And these cables are up to a penny now anyway, aren't they? Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so the red is positive, which is to my far right, which I was just showing you that, and it's this way up. It's this way up. Okay, so this is what you're looking at. All right. So you'll wire it the same way as we're looking at it right now. There we go. Okay, so it's in that order. So ground, data positive green, black ground, data positive green, data negative white, and plus 5 volts. So positive is red. And like I said, it'd be, let's see if we can get that. So it'd be like, in theory, if you can get that, it would be like that. You got the picture, so we'll have a go at this today. Okay, we stripped all the wires back. They look huge. They're not. Look, they're really tiny. Yeah, that's my finger. They look massive. So what we're going to do now is get the solder iron warm, and the first one I'm going to start off with is the ground. Okay, so the black, which will go to, you can see this, let me get this right. The first one there. All right. Okay, so I popped a little bit of solder on the end of the wire. You can see that. Be really careful. I have to turn this around a little bit. Put a bit of weight on that. Hold on a sec. Okay, let's try again. I want a bit of solder on the end of the solder iron. Bear with me. Okay, well, I'll try that for one. All right. Very fiddly, I gotta admit. Okay, not the best solder. I must admit, look at that. I mean, the soldering iron. I borrowed this one, and it's quite a large head on it, so it's quite difficult to do. You need a pin one, really. But I think I've done it. We'll give it a go. Let's see what happens. I'm going to pop him in. Beautiful sound. Let's have a look. USB drive, video. There we go. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? There you go. There was some data on it, but we wiped it because this is we're not allowed to bring data home, so that's what we did. There we go. So that's one way of doing it. Put a wire to it and try that. All right, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Like over here and subscribe down. Let me come out a bit. There we go. Like and subscribe down here, and upcoming videos over there. Cheers. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Catch you in the next one.